My G is too futuristic for that shit.
What's up guys, it's Brandon. I'm in Madison right now. It's about 1 p.m. in the afternoon, so lunch is done for most people. And I'm gonna take you to a place called the Tipsy Cow. Now, you know you're in Wisconsin when there's cows. And you definitely know you're in Wisconsin when they're tipsy. Let's go. All right guys, we made it. Let's go check it out. Cheers, guys. Guys, check this out. This looks so good. I'm gonna smash this. Alright guys, so that meal was really tasty. If you want to know what I thought about it, I'm going to leave a link in the description box and you guys can read my thoughts on the sandwich and those alligator bites. Those were not chicken bites or any kind of chicken finger. Those are alligator bites. Wisconsin doesn't have alligators, which makes me think. Either way, I left the link in the description. Click it. All right. Please use Nextdoor. Alright guys, so I just met with a friend. We went for a walk with her dog. Just kind of went up and down downtown. Ended up getting some ice cream, that was pretty good. Anyway, the day is kind of wearing down. Afternoon is turning into evening. You can hear a train. People are heading home right now.